in the main thing that puts people off. It looks better when you've got the usually it's pictures in there. Yep.
Like this one. This
That's interesting, yeah. And then it's about 3-4 times the price.
Now, delivery, what did you want on there? You want to deliver